Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, if you're wondering how to celebrate Anzac Day this year, why not try making this classic Anzac Biscuits? And this is a really simple and healthy recipe that the whole family can do. And this version is actually healthier than the original because it is lower in sugar, it doesn't contain any dairy. But of course it's still got all those really heart-healthy oats in it. Just get the whole family together this Anzac Day and give this a go. So we're going to start with the oats, which is the main ingredient. So just half a cup of normal rolled oats. I actually put the oats into the bowl, not the saucepan. So now we have oat flour, which is just made from normal rolled oats. Just blend it until it turns into a flour. Half a cup. And then just some desiccated coconut. So a quarter cup of that. And for some sweetness, I'll put in 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. It's less refined than normal white sugar, so it is more nutritious and it actually has a better flavour too. And originally Anzac Biscuits used brown sugar, but this is very similar, but it is more nutritious and full of flavour. Now this is where you can add a little spice. You can put in just about any spice that you like. I'm going to put in some ginger powder, half a teaspoon, because as I have said a lot, ginger is very good for you. And also going to put in some cinnamon, half a teaspoon. And you could add any other spices that you like, or you could leave them out if you don't like them. So just mix them together in the bowl. So now we just have to combine a few things in the saucepan. So first of all, I've got nut butter. So put 3 tablespoons. You could use any kind of nut butter. This is one I've made myself, and there is a recipe on YouTube for this, and also a caramel nut butter if you want to try them. Or just use a store-bought one, but try to get one that hasn't got any added sugar or salt. And instead of putting in the usual golden syrup, I'm going to use organic coconut syrup, which is a lot more nutritious and it's also got a great flavour. But if you don't have that, you could use maple syrup, it's also fine. Tablespoon. So now what we need is 3 tablespoons of water. So just heat this until it all melts together and it's smoother. Okay, once it's smooth and melted, just add a quarter teaspoon of bicarb soda. Mix that in. And it goes a bit frothy. Mix it into the dry ingredients. So once that is done, you can just you could use a tablespoon to get amounts and just put them on to the tray. Oops. Alright, so when they're on the tray, Just get a fork that's dipped in water so it doesn't stick and just flatten them a little bit. So now just bake them at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay, they've just come out of the oven and I'm just cooling them on a wire rack. So our Anzac biscuits are ready to serve, and you can just eat them as they are, or if you just want to make them just a little bit more special, you could sandwich them together with some decadent chocolate frosting, or maybe some lemon cream as I used in the lamingtons, or just some whipped coconut cream too. And all those recipes are also on my YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoy these with your family this Anzac Day. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.